Hey guys, and welcome to a new video of Bitcoin Edge. Today we'll take another look into the charts, and well, what we are seeing right here is really good. We're seeing the Dixie breaking down, and I mean, we hope it breaks this trend line. Why is that? Well, every major bull market in crypto, especially the 2017 one and the current one, were all very correlated with the dollar going down. So that is what we want actually. We want the dollar to go down so everything else and especially Bitcoin can break up. I mean, this is the line we're seeing right now, nicely breaking down. Did a retest of this trend line and this resistance over here. What we want to see now is a lower low. Taking a look at the S&P 500, broke down a little bit, but the Dixie is going down, so they break up again. Very good. We want the S&P 500 as well to go up. We want gold to go down, just to tease Peter Schiff. This is the CME chart for Bitcoin, and if they make gaps, you know, bears will short towards those gaps. So that's why we take a little look. We have some gaps down below, very low. People are still trying to close those. This is the funding and premium index over here. Very important in my type of trading, how I trade, how I scalp. When it's negative, you buy, simple as that. In a bull market, you know, it can stay high for a very long time as long as we go up. Taking a look at Bitcoin over here. This is the trade I took this earlier today, kinda. I longed it right over here. Target was this resistance over here, but it looked good, so I kept adding, and over here I flipped bearish, I would say. Right now, I mean, we probably go down for retests, shake out some late longers. These are supports, I want those to hold. That means higher lows. We're basically right now consolidating. Let me zoom out a little bit more. Remove. So this is the case. This, I would say, is support this trend line. We can touch it a couple times more, and horizontally this is resistance. Something else people are looking at is this right here. They are expecting some sort of head and shoulders, which I can actually see over here. Shoulder, shoulder, shoulder. Maybe you already made it. So yeah, that would be bearish. But I mean, the right now the Dixie is looking bearish, so I'm going for up. Price going up. Fundings, how are those looking? We need low fundings, just like I showed you in the funding and premium index. And right now fundings are going a little bit up. I usually look at Bitmex and Bybit for fundings. Predicted is a bit lower than the current ones, but still a little bit on the high side, I would say. Same pattern kind of in Ethereum. This is what broke down. Right now we are, I mean, Ethereum is kind of looking better over here than Bitcoin does. Double top over here, and everybody knows triple tops don't exist. So if we go for that line again within this space over here, we will break up. Triple tops do not exist, so if Ethereum goes here again, we break it. Easy as that. Ethereum looking good over here. Aave, I don't know how to pronounce it, A-A-V-A-E, sorry, I don't know. Aave is looking very good as well. I would take a look at it, fairly young coin. And the thing is with young coins, you know, they don't have hodlers. So if you like, nobody is ready to dump on you because nobody has a lot yet, unless it's a rook pull, which happens. But Aave is looking very good over here. Break up would mean, I mean, very high. So that's looking very good. Make sure to also follow me on Twitter. I sometimes put some like short-term trades over here. I was over here 4 hours ago. I was bearish. Then I just told you about the trade I took. I was long. I longed it till around, what was that? Yeah, 35,000. Was a nice trade. And I mean, that won't like when I take profit on my longs won't say that it is the top, you know. I'm just taking the meat out of the moves, and I scalp pretty hard. Last, what is it, 48 hours or so, I did a 30x on my whole account, and yeah, that is pretty big. I scalp fairly aggressive. I have a PDF with the trading style and the tips and tricks on how to trade like me. I mean, if you sign up with the Bybit rev link over here, you get it for free if you trade on it. If you're a hodler, you know, do not margin trade, do not leverage trade, get out. Like, I mean, just hodl it. Don't listen to me at all, never, because I take short-term trades. It can change within a few hours. Right now, everything is looking good, so I mean, hodl. That is all that I can say. Everything looking good. Like I said, make sure to sign up on the Bybit rev link over here. You also get 20% discounts on your trading fees, and you get my tips and tricks. What else is there? I mean, everything's looking good. You know, like the ultimate fuck would be to make just a lower low and just to shake out late longers, because everybody, it seems, took the dip, bought the dip. So this is also a line you should consider watching. Possible as well, you know, staying in this range all the time. What else? I think this is basically it. Yeah, what we really want to see is Dixie down. Everything is looking good. Dixie just broke this trend line, depends on how you draw it. Could also look at it like this. Then they just bounce on it, but I mean, it looks fairly bearish over here. And like I said, make sure to subscribe, leave a like, leave a comment, let me know what you think. If you have any questions, please let me know. And like I said, let me know if you sign up under this Bybit ref, you get a PDF with guaranteed a more profitable way of trading. So guys, see you again tomorrow. Make sure to subscribe, leave a like, leave a comment. See you guys.